How to fix a flat car tire. Some of these steps, a car tire can go flat unexpectedly no matter how good you take care of it. Further, a worse situation can occur when you are in a remote location such as a place where there is no network or nearby garage. To deal with such circumstances, fixing a flat tire by oneself is the only immediate solution. But how to fix a flat car tire? Here's all you need to do. Step-by-step process to fix a flat car tire. Before digging deep into the process of fixing a flat tire, the following are the signs to help you determine that your car tire went flat. Shaking or whooping of car steering in your hands. Thumping vibrations and sounds when a car wheel rotates along the road. In other case, you need to follow the procedure to fix a flat tire. Step 1. Take your tire repair kit out of the car. To help solve this unavoidable problem, always keep a tire repair kit in your car. First of all, take out the necessary tools from the repair kit. For instance, a typical tire repair kit consists of an inflated spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and the car's owner's manual. Step 2. Finding the flat car tire and locating the puncture. Next, locate the position of the puncture in the flat tire more often than not. A pointed object is the cause of it. Additionally, these objects are visible on the surface of the tire. Once located, place bricks, pieces of wood, or any heavy object on both the front or rear side of the punctured tire to avoid forward rolling of the car. Step 3. Take spare time and jack in place. Afterwards, use your owner's manual to locate the position of the jack and spare tire. Always follow the instruction written in the manual to place the jack in an accurate position. After placing the jack, it's time to jack up the car. Step 4. Jack up the car to fix a flat car tire. Next step, applying the force, not too much, to jack your car up while keeping the pressure on the ground. Also, make sure not to jack up your car entirely. Moreover, if there are any hubcaps, remove them to access your lug nuts. Step 5. Loosen lug nuts with wrench. To loosen lug nuts, you need to use a long wrench. For this purpose, turn the long wrench in the anti-clockwise direction. By doing so, you can easily remove the flat tire. Step 6. Take off the flat car tire. After making sure the jack is stable in position, take off the flat tire by jacking up the car. In this case, jack up eases the process of removing the tire with little to no effort. Step 7. Put in an inflated spare tire. In place of a flat tire, position an inflated spare tire. Then, use a long wrench to tighten up the lug nuts. In contrast to loosening the nuts, turn the lug wrench in a clockwise direction. During the step of tightening up the nuts, after careful lug nuts tightening, you are good to go with your new car's tire. What you need to do after fixing the tire. First off, double check the newly installed spare tire before driving further. Secondly, keep on examining the inflated tire after every 15 to 20 minutes of driving. Thirdly, go to a car mechanic after getting home to avoid future car's flat tire problems. Besides, car tire fixing is a necessary skill to learn to cope with such a troublesome situation. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, and make sure to like our Facebook page.